Doctor Solutions. My name is Oleg Nikishin. I'm the founder of Doctor Solutions, and in this video I would like to present and show you how to sprout at home. And any diseases, if you have been diagnosed by your medical doctor, or you simply have deficiency, or you have disorders, or simply you have a lack of energy and would like to change your diet, you have to sprout at home. I found this is the best solution for your nutritional approach to regain your body vitality, because nothing works better than sprouting. And sprouting is really simple. We want to present you our first sprouting kit. Our kit contains 4 parts of sprouting jars, sprouting trays. You have a green tray for the water. You have insert for the large seeds, as of maybe beans. If you want to sprout, for instance, lentils, you can put right on. And it does have silicone, food grade silicone insert for small seeds and the cover. Kit contains simple pack of salad mix. It's a 3-part. It's a broccoli salad and radish for you. And simple, again, how to sprout at home instructions. Okay. It's so easy to do at home once you try it and once you start working out the bugs out and you know how to wash and what to do, then you will be pretty much hooked forever, because it's very economical and it's very tasty and very good for your body. Let me show you the example. This already has been sprouted. Okay, so that's has been sprouted already, as you can see it, and this is a 5-day sprout, because right now it's kind of cold and it takes a little bit longer, maybe about 2 days longer. In the summertime, when it's hot outside, it usually you can get sprouted that high within simply within 3 days. Okay, so let me just show you how big this is. So this is a sprout. So this is the full length, as you can see. And it's quite heavy. So in this tray, I only have 2 tablespoons. That's why we gave it the sample. But it's quite heavy. If I weigh it, it's maybe more than a pound. So just imagine how much is money you can save by simply sprouting at home. And this is so tasty, you just pull it out and you just eat it right fresh. But let me show you how you're gonna sprout. You take the tray. If you have salad mix from us, we're gonna start selling you salad mix, and we're gonna send you the protein mix. We're gonna give you a full variety of sprouting, because as I said, sprouting is the best food for your body. You are what you eat, remember that. If you eat garbage, you're gonna get garbage in your body, so you have to detox. When you eat fresh greens, and this is the fresh greens, don't forget. So you do it at home, it's fresh greens, and your body getting a lot of nutrients, a lot of vitamin B9, this is a folate. And as I said, this can be addition to anything, to your salad or to any pretty much dish. Okay, let's going back to sprouting. So for instance, if you get as a first starter pack from us, so what you will do, you just simply just sprinkle it over your silicone liner, because as I said, this is tiny, and that will prevent for seeds falling down. So you just sprinkle it evenly, and what you will need the spray bottle, and you just spray it over the top, just like that. Make sure it's nice and wet, and you cover the lid and put it on your countertop. If you do it in the morning, you don't have to spray it every few hours. Then you spray it again at night. And again, you cover it. You make sure you have a good fresh water. Tap water is fine as long as there is no fungus, there is no bacteria in it, because bacteria will grow quite fast in the spray. So I usually do use distilled water, and I just put minerals in my distilled water. I know it's fresh, it's distilled, it's pure. I put the mineral compound. We're going to start selling mineral compound for the sprouts as well, and that's what I use. So over maybe 1 or 2 days, as I said, usually in the summertime, 2 days they already sprout quickly. In the winter time, that might take even 3 days. Then you're going to have some shoots. So at that point, you have to spray them again and again, maybe 3 times per day. As I said, this is on your kitchen counter, so you don't have to remind yourself because it sits right there. But after 2 or 3 days, what you have to do when they start sprouting, I will put a little bit more water over it. And when it drips, on the second day, I will wash my tray because the water will fall down and it will start, bacteria will start growing it. Don't forget, when you spray over it, so the seed absorbs the water and enzymes starts working in it, and anti-enzymes will fall into the tray, and that will have a bacterial growth. So make sure you wash the tray. So every day when you already sprout for 1 or 2 days, you just pull it out, wash the tray, wipe it clean, and put it back. On the third day, you're going to have very large, so 4th day you're going to have very large sprout, just like that, maybe a little less. Okay, at that point what I do, I just put it right under running water and then just wash it, because as I said, it's going to start maybe a little bit smelly for you. So that's why you see, so I just washed it again, and you see there is some water and fresh water. It smells like salad. So that's what I do. So I just put the running water over it, then cover my lid over it and just shake it. So make sure, so I washed it nicely, maybe 2 or 3 times. And just put it in the sink and pour this thing out. And that's it. And as I said, maybe 4 to 5 days, you're going to have almost 1 pound, maybe even more, fresh greens. And this is so tasty. What you do after, let me show you what you will do. So you will remove the spray, this tray, just like that, sit it, and over here, so you'll just harvest it, you see? And that's what it looks like. Look at this. It's like a carpet. So what you do, you just harvest it just like that. And you put all your sprouts in this, the same tray, or you can use another tray, and just wash it. If you don't want to have a hole, so you can wash them out. I usually prefer it right just like that, because I love my fiber, and this is a fiber. And after washing it and draining it back, so you pour back in and it's drained. So when you harvest it, so this trays become empty, you put it back, you drain it, and you store it in your fridge. As far as storage, I usually use my ozone water to final wash. I ozonate the water and wash it to make sure there is no bacteria in. And these sprouts can stay in the fridge almost for 2 weeks, and they will be fresh. So you keep it in the container or in the jar, and they will be fresh for many weeks. And that's all. It's just so simple, so nice, and I just want to share it with you because this is part of my diet right now since maybe more than a year since I started doing this. And I love it so much. The kids love it too because it's very, very tasty. It's not the one, sorry, one you can get from a store, because this is very fresh and very, very tasty. We're gonna have different mix. So what you can do, this is a salad. We're gonna have some protein mix. We're gonna have some different salad mixes as a broccoli mix or radish. If you like to have a little bite to it, like a little pungy taste, then you will need to have or add radish to it, and the radish has really good that pungent taste to it. So if you like it, you can do that, or you can do many different others. That's why we have a simple menu. That what you can do in it, you can do alfalfa, barley, buckwheat, celery, chia seeds, corn, dill, lentils, lettuce, onion, parsley, radish, rice, sesame, wheat, and more and more and more. And that's all, folks. So we do have our Medical Ozone Bio research group. Please join it, share it. The link is on the top of the website. So you can click on it and it directs you right to the Facebook and to our group, and you have to ask to join it. We will approve you. You'll be part of our 1,500 members and more. There are many doctors. You can ask all the questions in the group, and this is a very active group right now. If you need the contacts, please, here is a contact, and as well will be in the end of the video. If you like this video, give us thumbs up, put your comment. If you like, you can write us directly. There is email provided. And pretty much that's all, folks. I will see you in the next video.